What a great attempt there from his Great Clips Skills Challenge attempt as scores are in.
Oh,
and he
she
gave him
fell.
a 6.686.
It looks like.
Our last competitor is coming up with Ashley Sanford. To throw down a big sky wheelie, so get those scores locked in. You're about to crown our winner here of the sky wheelie competition, and this is going to be your first time helping us crown a winner. Another 8 points are on the line. Tim Hall Jr. and Velociraptor waiting for your fan scores here. We've got about 3 seconds left on the clock for you to get those scores in. Right now, El Toro Loco is the score to beat. Scores are locked in, they're up on the video board. You gave him a 5.502. Our fifth competitor, Tyler Minigood, Grave Digger. Let's hear for Tyler Minigood, Grave Digger. Time to lock in those scores for Tyler Minigood and Grave Digger. He was last night's Sky Wheelie champion. Will it be enough to get him a 2 for 2 here, not only from yesterday, but today here this afternoon? Scores are in. You gave him a 7.740.